Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great day. Well, today as you can see we have another unbagging. That means we have another review. So let's find out what is in the bag. Whoops. Oh, that only cut through one layer. Alright. Get this bag out of the way. Alright, this bag comes from DPClubs, and if I have any discount codes or if they have any specials, I will put it right along here and in the description box below. And the first little thing we have here is, it's a needle minder. It has a very small little magnet there. And it's The Girl with the Pearl Earring by Vermeer. It's their take on it. And it was $3.99. So, yeah. There's three of them. I think there's a leaf. There is this one. And something else. I want to say a musical instrument, but I'm not real sure about that. But yeah, and they're really thick metal. So yeah, I will put that up there with my other little figure ones, if you will. All right, let's get on to the cross stitch. Let's see, this kit is a 40 by 60, and it was $13.79. Hang on just a second. All right, I am back. Got to get it all undone here. So I will put a picture of this right here, since this is the only picture, and it's a little black and white cat with flowers, as you can see. So I just thought that was just kind of cute. And it says up here, it's an 11 count, a 40 by 60. Big pattern. I didn't know it was going to be quite this huge, or up close, I guess. I don't know. Let's see what colors we have here. No 310 black. Excuse me. 550 purple. We have 823 and 939. So there'll be your dark colors. No 3371, which is the brown. Holy cow, this is huge. And it does have 3865 and 3866 for white. But it's a very nicely printed pattern. No smudges, no smears. You can see all the symbols, really nice. Very nice. I like it when they're nice and big and easy to read. This is 233 stitches up and down by 147 going this way. So very nice. We're going to save that because you know we have to match everything up. I'm trying. Everything is together here. It does come with a toolkit, 5 needles, poof ball thimble, and needle threader. Just set that aside. And it does have the instructions, since they're not printed on the paper pattern. Paper pattern will match the canvas on this kit. So, nice instructions if you need them. Okay, so the product number is 4712 4712 4712. So that all matches. We're going to put this right up here so it doesn't get lost. And we will get to the threads. The threads are on thread drops. Give me a sec. All right. Look at all those gorgeous, gorgeous colors. We got purples. We got reds. We got kind of a royal blue. Kind of a gold with an orange tinge to it. Have a coral color. More purple. Purple here is 550 purple. Very nice. It does have some greens. Ooh, look at that. It's jelly bean purple. And more of kind of a reddish purple. Tans, browns, blues, blue grays. There's your 939. That's probably 413 at least. Yep, nope, it's close, 415. My bad. So very nice colors for all those lovely flowers. We're going to put that right back in that bag. Sorry for the crinkle. And that way they don't get away. Let's take a look at that canvas. I mean, by the size of, I think the paper pattern was bigger than the canvas. Holy cow. But very nice and big and easy to read. So I appreciate that part. I really do. Because some of them, oh my goodness, you can't even see what you're doing. So it is serged all the way around. Very nice key. Now the stitching does go a little bit into the DMC numbers here. But you have the paper pattern and it's all very nicely printed. So very, very nice. Very well printed on the canvas. Don't see anything off kilter or smeared or unfolding. You know, so very nice and easy to see. Just lovely. Lovely, lovely, lovely. And I guess if you wanted to, you could put that background in here, or you could make it a partial if you wanted to. So, very nice. I'm looking for my tape measure here. Where did that go? Oh my goodness. Me and that tape measure, we've been round and round. I'm surprised I still got a hold of it. Let's see. 23¼ inches or 59 centimeters up and down. This way it is, if I could get a hold of the measure, almost 15½ inches or 39 centimeters. Actual size is a little bit over 13 inches or 33 centimeters. And this way it's 53 centimeters or I'd say 20¾ inches. So it's good size, and they've done a good job getting the colors kind of not evenly distributed, but distributed so that you don't have big, huge areas where it's just one background color. So that part's nice. Boy, that 25 is going to be a big one. I bet that, yep, that's your 939. Ding, ding, ding. Sorry. So very nice indeed. Good job, guys. Thank you, DPClubs, for the beautiful kit and the lovely little needle minder. Very nice. I'm glad they're a lot better made than I thought they would be. I thought they'd be really thin, but I'm glad they're fairly thick. They're not going to bend at all. Not at all. They could have gotten a little bit bigger. What do you call it? Magnet there, but it'll work. It seems pretty strong, so I'm not real worried. All right. Now, DPClubs has diamond painting, cross stitch, and paint by number. They have tools and crafts for all three of those. I should have a 15% off discount code. I will, like I said, put that all in the beginning, and whatever specials they have will be in the beginning and in the description box below. They do not have embroidery that I know of, but they always have great prices and great selections, so go check them out. Thank you for joining me today. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe, stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless.